Updating and refreshing your headlights from halogens to LED is a pretty common and easy way to get a much brighter and cleaner light that will last a longer time. These Axial LED halo headlights feature some very cool angel eye daytime running lights and are a very easy and affordable way to refresh the front end of your 97 to 18 TJ or JK. The updated style of these headlights will give you a pretty aggressive look over the stock halogen lights while also distributing more light so you have better visibility at night on those dark back roads. Installing this one, guys, will require some simple wiring for the halos, but the rest is plug and play, so it gets a very simple 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter from me, and we'll show you how to do that in just a minute. I personally like how these are set up aesthetically, and I think their accent lighting and design stands out from the standard halos that we have available. These have bright LEDs in the middle with the Angel Halo outer brim that will act as a daytime running light, and these will actuate with your turn signals. These lights have a color temperature of 5600 to 6000 K, which is a bright white light producing up to 6400 lumens collectively with the LED bulbs. To put everything into perspective for you, if we're rating color temperatures on a scale, these will be much whiter than the halogens, which sit in the warmer and lower end at right around 2700 K. The lower rated number explains that yellow hue of the halogen as well as the mediocre lighting that a halogen provides. LEDs are not only brighter, but they're more efficient and they have a longer lifespan overall, lasting up to 50,000 hours with this set. And when you're talking about the bulb itself, LEDs are very common in light bars and off-road lighting for that reason. In comparison, most halogens will burn out after 3,000 hours. These lights are protected by a die-cast aluminum housing with a strong polycarbonate lens, and to put it simply for you, these lights are very tough and rigid with a lens that offers complete transparency and a high impact resistance, keeping the light inside safe when taking any hits. These are IP67 rated, so they're sealed very well and you won't have to worry about any condensation or dirt getting inside the lens and hurting your bulbs. These will not be the least expensive options for the TJ and the JK that we offer on the site with an LED halo design, but they are on the lower end of the spectrum with the price at right around $160 at the moment. Axial is more of a budget brand that has lower prices, and their other choices will consist of headlights starting at $110, but they will have more of a simplistic design and some won't include the halo option. Then you have the premium options that can range all the way up to $900 for projector headlights and very intricately designed options like Casey's Gravity Series and Pucco's Luminex LEDs. The design of those pricier options do really explain the price, so these are simplistic in comparison. That said, these are still higher quality and definitely priced well, so they make for a very easy solution when it comes to replacing your factory lights and refreshing the front end of your Wrangler. Install is simple, guys, at 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, but will require some additional wiring for the halos like I mentioned before. It should only take you about an hour to get hooked up, and now I'll pass it over to the installers to show you how these are installed.
Start off by opening your hood. Next, using a T15 Torx, remove the chrome trim bezel around your headlight. Next, remove the chrome trim ring. Next, remove the 4 T15 Torx that secure the headlight in. Now remove your headlight and unplug the harness from the back of the headlight. We're going to start off by running the necessary wires for the halo. Then we can plug the new headlight in. Reinstall the headlight and secure it with the trim ring. We're going to do the same thing for the other headlight. We're going to run our jumper wires for the halos. Next, we're going to install the inside trim ring that secures the headlight in place. Next, we're going to install the outer trim ring. We connected the red wire to the daytime running lamp circuit. For the white halos, and for the yellow turn signal halo, we will connect our yellow wire to the turn signal wire right here. Plug our daytime running bulb back in. After you have plugged in your daytime running bulb, your installation is complete.
So if you were looking for an affordable way to update the headlights on your TJ or JK, these Axial lights are a great option to check out. This is Meredith with XT, and for everything Wrangler, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.